In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Charles Schwab Login ID. If you've misplaced your username, don't worry. There's a secure step-by-step way to recover it, and I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Start by heading to the official Charles Schwab login page. Before you click anything, double-check that the web address shows schwab.com and that you see the secure lock icon in your browser. That simple check helps you avoid phishing pages that try to imitate the real site. On the sign-in area, choose the option labeled Forgot Login ID or Password, then select Forgot Login ID. This ensures you're focused only on retrieving your username without changing anything else on your account. Next, you'll be asked for a few details to confirm your identity. Expect to enter your last name, your zip code, your social security number or your account number, and your date of birth. Enter these exactly as they appear on your account profile. If you've moved or changed your name, use the information Schwab has on file to avoid a mismatch. This information is used solely to verify that it's really you accessing your credentials. After you submit your details, follow the on-screen verification prompts. The system will guide you through secure checks and then share your login ID, either by displaying it or delivering it through a protected channel. Once you have it, store it safely, ideally in a trusted password manager, so you won't have to repeat this process later. Before you go through recovery, or if you want to double check first, you may already have your username in other places. Look back through previous messages from Schwab, welcome notes, service confirmations, and certain notifications often reference your login ID. If you use a browser or a dedicated password manager, search your saved credentials for the Schwab site. These tools typically save the username along with the site name. And if you're already signed in on the Schwab mobile app on another device, open the app's settings or profile section. Your username is commonly shown there. If the online recovery doesn't work or your information doesn't match, reach out to Schwab support. Help is available around the clock, and an agent can guide you through a secure recovery process. For current contact options, visit the official support page at www.schwab.com/contact us. A few closing tips. Type your details carefully, keep your personal information private, and never share your full credentials with anyone. With these steps, you'll recover your Charles Schwab login ID quickly and safely.